pavers. The best value for your patio or driveway. Permeable, non-permeable, hybrid. Are pavers a good value? Installed right, pavers will be there longer than the house. Lifespan of concrete is 15 years, asphalt less than that. They may be more expensive on the front end, but given the curb appeal, resale value, and lifespan, it's worth it. Where can I put pavers? Patios, driveways, sidewalks. Over old patios, driveways, and sidewalks. We call that overlaying. How do pavers install? We install both permeable and non-permeable. On most residential new installs, to get the best of both worlds, we install hybrid. Our primary objective is to provide you with the utmost value for your investment. Although it may appear miraculous, rest assured that our pricing is not based on smoke and mirrors. Allow me to clarify precisely how we can offer you a paver driveway at a comparable cost to concrete. It is not uncommon for aging concrete, gravel, or asphalt driveways to have settled to their maximum extent. To mitigate this issue, our team carefully levels the affected areas by repairing them with premium sand and prepares them for paver installation. Our cutting-edge machinery enables us to lay the pavers precisely, and we secure them with durable plastic edging and spikes to maintain their structural integrity. In certain cases, we may need to adjust the base at thresholds to ensure a seamless transition to the new driveway surface. Finally, we sand the joints to create a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing finish. Elevate your home's curb appeal and restore your pride in your driveway by making your neighbors envious of its stunning new appearance. By using your existing concrete, asphalt, or gravel as the base for your new pavers, you can achieve an eco-friendly solution that is both cost-effective and environmentally responsible. Join us in taking a proactive approach to sustainability by investing in our paver driveway installation services. With our installation services, you will benefit from minimal haul-off, limited trucking, and minimal landfill usage. Our team is committed to using the highest quality materials and minimizing our environmental impact. Additionally, we offer a lifetime warranty on our pavers, which are not only durable but also easy to repair if damaged or stained. Choosing our paver driveway installation is the ultimate upgrade for your home, offering an unbeatable combination of sustainability, quality, and long-lasting beauty. Increase the curb appeal and value of your home. Mechanically installed, most jobs are done in 2 days and are ready to use, with no need to wait for the concrete to cure. How do I move forward? It's simple. First call 615-356-0139 or fill out our online form at www.smartscapes.com. Second, send pictures of the areas that will be installed. Third, jump on a Zoom call where we can go over budget and layout using up-to-date high-definition mapping. Fourth, pick out a paver. The palette layout for mechanical install is limited to 3 paver styles for residential and 4 colors. Most popular is the charcoal Holland and a herringbone. It's super classy and doesn't show oil spills as easy. Fifth, meet on-site to verify and close the deal. Usually within 48 hours of work starting, you have a brand new paver driveway ready to use. Contact us today to schedule a consultation with our expert installers. We're ready to help you achieve the outdoor space of your dreams.